Are you looking to elevate your book's cover design? Mixam's fully customizable, high-quality dust jackets allow for an extra layer of protection and timeless appeal that keep your book looking at its best. Whether you're an author, publisher, or a creative looking to enhance your brand, this video will have everything you need to know about how to print your very own custom dust jacket with Mixam. Yes, you can order a hardcover book with your dust jacket. You can create dust jackets for both existing books and books ordered through Mixam. Once you add the order to your cart, you can proceed to our homepage or a product page to add a book. These items will then appear separately in your cart. You can also order a standard dust jacket with any hardcover book on our website. This option is available at the bottom of our instant quote calculator, where you can click the Add a Dust Jacket box. Custom dust jackets do not require you to purchase or ship your books to Mixam for production. All we need is your spine measurement and your book size. We then use that information to create a dust jacket for your book. Additionally, custom dust jackets can have an additional flap of 3.5 inches wide, while the dust jackets that come with our hardcover books are only 2.5 inches wide. Start by taking your book and face the spine towards you, so both the vertical title and author face yourself. Align the 0 on the left edge of the ruler or measuring tape. Write down the measurement to where the spine ends on the right side. Please note that you will need this value in decimal format before entering it on our website. Start by laying your book flat on the table so the front cover faces you. Measure from the left edge to the right edge and write down the measurement. Then measure again from the top edge to the bottom edge and write down that measurement. Please note that hardcover books are a bit bigger than the interior paper, so you will have to take both measurements and subtract 1/4 inch from each side to get your true book size. You'll then select the standard size from the instant quote calculator on our website. You can find both your spine and book measurements by navigating to the My Account page and clicking on the My Orders tab. This tab lists all of your past orders and the book details, such as its overall size. To view the spine size, click the order number you need, which will take you to the order page. Scroll down to the Artwork tab, which lists your spine and book measurements in the blue box on the left. Your custom dust jackets will be shipped either flat or in a tube, but will not be pre-folded. However, we do offer the option to add a folding guide, which will mark the spine area on the reverse side with light gray lines. After the dust jacket is folded onto your book, these lines will not be visible. You can also opt to have no folding guide included at all. As you can see, custom dust jackets are a very easy way to take your book to the next level. And with Mixam, this is really only the beginning. So if you're ready to print your very own custom dust jacket, visit our website today and get started with a free quote. If you have any other questions about custom dust jackets, please visit our FAQ page on our website. For any unanswered questions, please feel free to message us on our socials @MixamPrint or by using the chat bubble on our website.